How does Cash App work? Transfer money. If you've been wondering how to send or receive money quickly without using a traditional bank, Cash App might be exactly what you need. It's one of the most popular peer-to-peer payment platforms in the US, used by millions of people to move money with just a few taps. But how does Cash App actually work, and is it safe? Let's break down everything you need to know. What is Cash App? Cash App is a mobile payment service created by Block Inc., formerly Square. It allows users to send and receive money instantly, pay for goods and services, buy Bitcoin, and even receive direct deposits like a regular bank account. What makes Cash App unique is that it functions like a hybrid between a digital wallet and a banking tool. Step 1. Getting started with Cash App. To begin, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. After installing, you'll be prompted to enter your email or phone number, create a unique $cash tag, this is your username on the platform, link a debit card or bank account. Once your account is set up, you can start sending or receiving money right away. Step 2. How to send money on Cash App. Sending money is simple. Tap the dollar button at the bottom of the app. Enter the amount. Tap Pay. Enter the phone number or email of the recipient. Add a note or message. Optional but helpful. Once you tap Pay, the funds are transferred instantly to the recipient's Cash App balance. Pro tip: always double check the $cash tag before sending. Cash App payments can be cancelled once sent. Step 3. Receiving money. When someone sends you money, it shows up in your Cash App balance. From there, you have two options. Use it to send payments or make purchases. Transfer it to your bank account. Standard bank transfers are free and usually take 1-3 business days. If you need your money faster, you can choose an instant deposit for a small fee, typically 0.5% to 1.75%. Step 4. Using the Cash App card. Cash App also offers a free debit card called the Cash Card. It's a customizable Visa card linked directly to your Cash App balance. You can use it in stores or online. Withdraw cash from ATMs. Get boosts, instant discounts at popular merchants like DoorDash or Starbucks. You don't need a traditional bank account to use the Cash Card, making it a great option for the unbanked. Step 5. Additional features. Cash App goes beyond peer-to-peer payments. You can also buy and sell Bitcoin within the app. Invest in stocks with as little as $1. Receive direct deposits like paychecks or tax refunds. With these features, Cash App starts to feel more like a mobile bank than just a payment app. Is Cash App safe? Cash App uses encryption, Face ID, Touch ID, and two-factor authentication to protect your money. But, like any financial tool, it should only be used to send money to people you know and trust. There's no buyer protection for peer-to-peer transfers. If you send money to the wrong person, it's unlikely you'll get it back. Final thoughts. Cash App is a fast, flexible, and user-friendly way to handle money. Send and receive cash instantly, use a free debit card, and access modern tools like investing and crypto. But remember, with great convenience comes responsibility. Always verify details before sending money and avoid sending to strangers. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments, do you use Cash App? What do you like most about it? Your experience could help someone else decide if it's the right choice for them.